Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to another episode of the show. So, as you may have guessed, I am launching, my new course is launching or going live today. This is Turn Content into Clients, talking about content marketing specifically for freelancers. So, all this week, I'm sort of changing up. I'm kind of in promotion mode. I'm going to be doing an episode every day, and I'm going to be introducing you to different lessons in the course and encouraging you to join the course, God forbid. So that's what I'm going to be up to this week. In this particular episode, I'm going to just be giving you a glimpse of the welcome and introduction to the course. So really what this is going to do is just tell you about the course, give you all the information about the course right up front, and then let you decide whether or not you want to join it. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into that video, and then I'll be back at the end to tell you where you can go if you want to learn more about the course and to learn how you can get free access to it. Hey, John Morris here. Welcome to my class, Turn Content into Clients. So let me briefly run through what's in the class so you can decide if it's a class that you would like to take or not. So let me start off with kind of the big picture, and it goes back to when I first started freelancing. I really had no idea how to get clients, no plan for how to grow my business. I didn't know what worked and what didn't. I took any client I could get. I worked on projects I had no passion for. I worked with clients that I couldn't stand. And every month I was sort of terrified of these kind of haunting questions that I always thought about. Where will my clients come from? Will I make enough this month to pay the bills? Will this always be this stressful? And am I going to end up going back to some 9-to-5 job that I really can't stand? And then I discovered content marketing, and I learned how to build a funnel. I figured out what things to say and how to attract high-paying clients I enjoyed working with, who valued my work and fit my personality, projects I was excited to work on. And I ended up working on projects for Inc. magazine, best-selling authors like Tim Ferriss, Lewis Howes, and Michael Hyatt, really people I had never imagined I'd get to work with when I first started. But more than that, I finally had a plan and a system. I knew what worked, and I knew how to consistently create content that brought clients in my front door. And I knew how to scale my business to create the lifestyle I wanted. And that's what I've done ever since. So this class is really pretty simple. I'm going to share with you what I've learned about using content to get clients. So things like how to write your sales pages, creating your lead magnet, building your landing pages, coming up with content ideas, how to produce your content, how and where I repurpose my content to get the maximum value out of each piece of content that I create, how to post it to social media in order to get the maximum value, what plays well on social media, which platforms to focus on, every step to building your marketing funnel and creating content to get clients. And when you walk away from this class, you're going to walk away with a series of different documents that are going to help you implement. So my exact strategy blueprint that I use for creating my funnel. You're going to get my exact 5-step blog post formula that I use. You're going to get the exact template I use for creating lead magnets. You're going to get the exact template that I use for how I make my content unique, a template for how I create content and ensure it's always valuable, and so forth. So you're going to get all of these documents that go along with every lesson that are going to help you to actually not only learn, but actually implement. And the last thing that I want to talk about with this is really sort of the emotional side of it, because this changed my life. I mean, I'm a nobody. I was a poor kid from a town of 200 in the middle of nowhere. I grew up in a trailer home. If you'd asked most of my classmates at that time, most of them probably would have told you that I'd be dead or in jail by now. So when I started freelancing, I didn't have a big network to tap into. I didn't have parents who could help. I didn't have college friends or a fraternity to leverage. It was just me and my keyboard. And so I've built everything that I've done from scratch. And that's what I can show you how to do. So, and to do it without a bunch of awkward networking or doing a bunch of free work, without being tied to any one platform or network, without having to spend 16 hours a day looking for work, wondering where clients are going to come from, consistently stressed out, worried you're not going to make it. I'm going to show you how to do it without all of that. So if you're ready to start and ready to really make this happen, then let's dive into the course and get started. All right, so that's the course in a nutshell. If that's something that you sound interested in or sounds interesting to you, you would like to jump into learning that, then you can head over to content2clients.com. So it's content, the number 2, and clients.com. I'll put the link in the description as well. The course is hosted on Skillshare. That'll just redirect you to the course over on Skillshare. If you're a member already, you can just jump into taking it. If not, as a teacher, I can give you an exclusive 2-month free trial. So when you go to content2clients.com, that'll take you to the free trial offer where you can sign up and you can get free access to the course. So again, that's content, the number 2, and clients.com. All right, that'll do it for the episode today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you over there in the course, and we'll talk to you next time.